Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started. Today I'm making stir-fried long beans with minced pork and preserved olives. So let's review the ingredients. This is long beans, and they grow anywhere between 12 to 18 inches in length. This is the pale green variety. It's both sweet and tender with a crunchy texture. I have green onion, ground pork, garlic, yellow onion, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, light soy, and this is the preserved olives with a mustard green. It's quite tasty. It's marinated with a variety of Chinese spices. And you can find this in the canned vegetable section of the Asian market. And it comes in a very distinctive hexagon container with a purple top. And here I have white pepper and seasoning salt mix. For the prep, let's start off with cutting the long beans. And all we have to do is trim the tops off. Just line them all up straight. And just give it a cut. And we'll cut it into like 2-inch sections. And next we can mince the garlic. And we'll dice the onion. Put together with the garlic. Next, we'll cut the onion. We'll cut it into quarters. And for the ground pork, we'll give it a quick marinade. Add a little bit of the seasoning salt here, bit of white pepper, sesame oil, and a bit of the Shaoxing wine. Give this a quick mix. Okay, so that's it. So all the prep is done. Let the pork marinate for about 5-10 minutes, and then we can start cooking. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is blanch off the long beans. I have a pan of boiling water. Add the beans. And just let it come back up to a boil. And it should take less than a minute. And we don't want to overcook the long beans. Okay, the water's come up to a boil. Let's remove the beans. Pour off the water, and now I have the pan set at a medium-high heat. We'll add a bit of oil, and next we're going to cook the pork. Next we can add the garlic and onion. We're going to cook this until the onions soften up, and we're going to cook away some of the moisture. We'll let this brown and crisp up a little bit. Oh, you see that's browning up nicely. Give that a quick toss. And let it brown. Let it sit and brown on the other side for about 30 seconds. That looks good. Now let's add the preserved olives with mustard. Give this a good toss. Add the green beans. Add some sea salt, white pepper, sesame oil, light soy, and the Shaoxing wine. We'll also add in the green onion. Give this a quick toss. We're just going to stir fry this for about 30 to 45 seconds. And this looks really good. Okay, so turn off the heat, and this is done. Let's serve this. And here we have a delicious plate of stir-fried long beans with minced pork and preserved olives. And this has a nice earthy, savory flavor with a crunchy texture of the long beans. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. Ooh, yummy. She likes long beans too. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. And please join me on my Facebook page. The link is on the bottom right-hand corner of the channel art. Feel free to post pictures of any recipes you make. Good girl.